You ever scroll past one of your videos and cringe a little? Like there's your face frozen mid-smile in front of a whiteboard with a title that said something like 5 tips for choosing the right CRM. And in that moment, a small voice in your head goes, yep, no one's clicking on that. That voice is right. Because if your content looks and sounds like everyone else's, especially in the B2B space, it's not going to break through. And it's definitely not going to bring in clients. Let me ask you something. If I pulled up your last 5 YouTube videos, would I know what you do, who you help, and why I should even care? Or would I be stuck watching you explain productivity hacks to an audience that doesn't even know they need help? And you know the ones I'm talking about. How to write better emails. 3 ways to stay productive. Should you post on LinkedIn in 2025? Be honest. Because what I'm about to show you is the reason so many smart business owners make content that's technically good and still totally ineffective. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. Let me put it like this. Posting tips and tutorials every week feels like you are doing content marketing. It feels productive. But really, you're just talking to yourself in a public space. Because here's the thing. Your content is helpful, but it's hollow. It doesn't pull people in. It doesn't make them feel anything. It doesn't show them why you matter. And that's the thing that nobody tells you. Just being helpful isn't enough. And that's why no one sticks around. And I get it. You are not, I repeat it, you're not a content creator. You are a business owner. And that means your content has to work harder. It can't just inform. Your content has to attract, it has to connect, and it has to convert. But most of what I see is just surface level content dressed up as strategy. So if your channel is built entirely on valuable content, but you're not getting any traction, you're not getting any leads, you're not getting any authority. And that's not content marketing. That's content wishful thinking. And honestly, I say all this not to roast you, but because I care. You are busy. You are smart. You are already doing 15 other things to keep the business moving. You've been told to just post valuable content, and that YouTube is all about consistency and optimization and thumbnails with your mouth open like this. And you tried. But all you got was 72 views, about comment about crypto, and a creeping sense of, why am I doing this again? The real reason it hurts the most is that you know your stuff can help people. You know your offer is solid, but the content just isn't clicking. And it feels like your business is invisible. So you're not crazy. You're just making the wrong kind of video for the job. And that job is not to teach. The job is to build trust and move people closer to buying. What you really need are 3 core types of content. And I call these the 3 roles. The first role is the magnet. These videos attract attention. They tap into curiosity, relevance, or a common problem. And their job is to pull the right people into your world. Here's a couple of examples. Notice what they don't do. They don't teach step by step. They make people want to know more. The second role is the mirror. These videos reflect the viewer's internal struggle, and they're emotionally resonant, relatable. They're human. These are the videos that make people go, holy crap, this person gets me. And the third role is the map. These videos show how you solve the problem. They introduce your unique framework, your method, or your philosophy. These videos are for people who are already leaning in. They build authority and make the next step feel obvious. But here's the thing. If you're only posting maps but never magnets or mirrors but never maps and magnets, you're essentially just playing chess with 2 pawns. So here's what I want you to do. Pause this video or come back to this moment later. Go to your YouTube channel, look at your last 5 videos and ask yourself, which of these videos are magnets? Would a stranger want to click on them? Which ones are mirrors? Would your ideal client say, that's me, that's exactly what I'm dealing with? And which ones are maps? Do they clearly see how you solve their problem? And if you look at your videos and it's just how to after how to, you're just building a knowledge base. And YouTube doesn't reward the most helpful. YouTube rewards the most relevant. Here's the good news. You don't need to rebrand. You don't need to start over. You just need to shift the roles your videos are playing. Start with one magnet, something that makes your ideal client go, wait, what? I need to see this. Then follow it up with a mirror. Make them feel seen. And then drop your map. Show them the path forward. And when you sequence your content intentionally like that, it doesn't just get views. It creates momentum, it creates trust, and sales conversations. And if you're wondering what kind of videos actually attract high-ticket clients, I broke it all down in this video right here. It'll show you exactly how to package your expertise in a way that makes people want to work with you.